Sifiso Meyiwa defends Kelly Khumalo. Sifiso Meyiwa defends Kelly Khumalo. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. John Swiner TV. Please subscribe. Sifiso Meyiwa's brother Sifiso Meyiwa said Kelly Khumalo didn't hire hitmen. The brother of the late Bafana goalkeeper Sifiso Meyiwa, Sifiso Meyiwa, said the lead investigator officer Brigadier Bongani Gininda is lying. This after he claimed that Kelly Khumalo had ordered the hit on his brother. Sifiso claimed that his brother's killer was in the house and it was really a hit, and those who were in the room during the shooting were allegedly protecting the killer. This came after the leading investigating officer Brigadier Bongani Gininda revealed that Sifiso's then girlfriend Kelly had ordered the hit. Gininda read his affidavit in the North Gauteng High Court on Wednesday, 24 January, during the trial of Meyiwa. Sifiso said he would never believe that Kelly ordered the hit. I said that in 2019 and I'm still saying that today, and I will keep saying it until it is proven because we have evidence. I know Gininda is lying. That's how he works. Most people don't know Brigadier Gininda. I know him and I have been following his cases. He does not know that I know him as well as I know him, he said. Sifiso said Kelly didn't hire hitmen to kill Sifiso, adding that the person who shot Sifiso was in the house and that person is being protected. Meyiwa was gunned down at his then girlfriend's Kelly's home in Vosloorus in 2014, and his family is still wondering who was behind the murder. Sifiso said that if there were hitmen hired to kill, they would not shoot with one bullet but with several, as contract killers usually do. It's impossible for the hitman to enter the house and shoot with one bullet. Gininda is just playing with us, and we are not children, he said. Someone commented and said, "How sure are you, Mr. Sifiso?" Another one commented and said, "Why Kelly is not talking? We haven't seen her in court or being questioned to give her side of the story. She's the owner of the house where the incident happened. Let's hear from her people once." Another one commented and said, "Who pulled the trigger? That's what we want." Another one commented and said, "They put the silver spoon in his mouth." Another one commented and said, "If you say no to Kelly, then speak truth on her behalf. Mr. Sifiso, don't put us black cloth. If you loved your brother, tell the truth then, cause looks, you know who did it." Another one commented and said, "Then you have to provide the court with your evidence to prove that Kelly didn't order the hit. Or maybe you like Kelly and love her and wanna close the space left by your late brother Sifiso." Looking at another news, Lamola suspends senior KZN magistrate over misconduct. Justice and Correctional Services Minister Ronald Lamola has provisionally suspended Pietermaritzburg senior Magistrate Ashin Singh, pending confirmation of his suspension by Parliament. Lamola revealed Singh's provisional suspension in a letter to National Assembly Speaker Nosiviwe Ngakula. Having received a number of complaints against him, the Magistrates Commission on the prima facie evidence at its disposal resolved to summary charge him with misconduct. A charge sheet dated 27 September 2023 containing 4 counts of misconduct was duly served on Mr. Singh. Lamola wrote in his letter dated December 18, 2023. He said it was alleged that Singh sent inappropriate, concerning and threatening WhatsApp messages to journalists in July last year following publication of a story with a headline calling on the Magistrates Commission to probe KZN's alleged Mookie immersion in spying and politics. Lamola added that Singh had stated under oath that he had or has a close relationship with crime intelligence officials. He said Singh was afforded an opportunity by the Magistrates Commission to provide written representation on why he should not be provisionally suspended from office. Although Mr. Singh objects to his provisional suspension from office, he made no particular submissions, representations in this regard, except for requiring further particulars and prima facie evidence which the Commission obtained relating to the charges of misconduct preferred against him. Lamola said the Commission was of the view that the misconduct charges provided sufficient information for him to finish the Commission with a written statement. Having due regard to the serious nature of the allegations, the totality of the information at hand, and Mr. Singh's representation, the Commission's Executive Committee at its meeting held on 13 October 2023 resolved to recommend that Mr. Singh be provisionally suspended from office in terms of the Section 13 of 3 of A of the Act, he said. According to Lamola, the Commission was of the view that the existing evidence against Singh was of serious nature as to make it inappropriate for him to perform his judicial functions pending the conclusion of the misconduct inquiry against him. The representations and remarks he submitted do not address the issue of his provisional suspension and are not cogent or weighty for him not to be provisionally suspended from office. The reasons for his provisional suspension pending the outcome of the misconduct hearing far outweigh his submissions for remaining in office, he added. Lamola said he could suspend a magistrate from office on advice of the Magistrates Commission and that a report on the provisional suspension and the reasons be tabled in Parliament. I decided to provisionally suspend Mr. A.A.K. Sai, a senior magistrate at Maritzburg or at Pietermaritzburg, from office with immediate effect pending the outcome of an investigation into his fitness to hold such office, he said. Singh could not be reached for comment. Someone commented and said, meaning the magistrate will earn full salary from our tax without working. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones, Why Not TV. Please subscribe. Bye for now. Till we meet again next time.